Today me and Rony are doing a video. Rony, come on! Anyways, today we're doing a mukbang. And I'm getting lots and lots of food. First item, hopefully y'all can see. Do you think they can see, Auntie? First item of the day. Cheez-Its. White Cheez-Its.
White
Cheez-Its. That's one. Next item is a Ferrazzo and it's red. Put that over there. Next is some Dipping Dots Crunch. No, Dips Crunch. And some of these white pretzels. Hey guys, me Rony. You got your cheeses. Oh! We're back, y'all, and look what we have. His ice cream. Okay, well, I'll try two. But he's gonna try two. Wow. You hear that crunch, y'all? Gotta go back. I'm gonna try one. Look at this. Almost a little tilted. Oh. I like my one now. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna eat this burger now. With rate this from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3. 10. Okay. No, give me those. Now we're going to try 10. I see red. I see red. Wait, no, not yet.
Ready?
Gotta put these in the first before the nose. Anyways, okay, guys, we're back. Now we're gonna try some red icy. Red icy, yes. You get that flavor. You like blueberries and ice cream. And strawberries. Let me try some, but you know I gotta try some. Yeah. Now we're gonna try. Put this in the fridge. Put it in the fridge. Rate this. No, put it. Rate it. A 10? 10, I said 10. 10 out of, no, 9 out of 10. That's what he rated this. Okay. I can put that in the fridge so it don't melt. Now, oh, wait, guys. Guys, now we gonna try some this. You're gonna use them. Ooh, you can actually see them. You eat black. You know I gotta try some. Ooh! You buy blood. Guys, try some. Dang. Try some, y'all. I rate this a 9 out of 10. Yeah. I rate this a 13 minutes. 13 out of 10. Now we're gonna try some. Now we're gonna try Cheez-Its. After he's done, break time. Look at the Cheez-Its. Okay, now we'll take them out. Going to get one. Thank you. Guys, cheers. Cheers. This is really good. You didn't eat it yet. No?